When I'm craving my favorite McDonald's strawberry milkshake, I make the healthiest version instead. To a blender, we add almond milk, fresh strawberries, quarter cup of cottage cheese, and a scoop of vanilla protein powder. Give that a blend, and don't forget, follow for more. Stop spending $20 on a poke bowl and live like a Hawaiian and make it at home. Let's go. Cube the sushi grade salmon, add it to a bowl with sriracha, soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, scallions, and sesame seeds. Mix and marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, cook the rice and make the spicy mayo. Serve the salmon over the fluffy rice with toppings of choice, and don't forget to follow for more. If you're not making this crunchy Korean carrot salad, you're missing out. Let's go. With a julienne peeler, julienne 4 large carrots, add them to a bowl with lots of heartburn, which is garlic. Add the salt, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Add some white balsamic vinegar and the warm avocado oil. Let it cool a bit, massage with your hands, and store it in a mason jar. Enjoy, and don't forget to follow me for more. If you're trying to eat better, this 5-ingredient healthy cabbage slaw is perfect for you. Cut the cabbage into thin slices, add it to a bowl. Using a julienne peeler, slice the carrots and add them in as well. Salt, give it all a massage, add the parsley, olive oil, and white balsamic. Enjoy and follow for more. If there's one salad I need you to make right now, it's my bean and olive salad with a dressing I could chug. Let's go. We start by adding beans to a bowl. You could boil your own or even use canned instead. Let's take the stress away and finally dice the cucumber. Add it to a bowl with finely chopped chives or even green onion. Add some olives and the olive juice. For the dressing I could chug, add olive oil, white wine vinegar, agave or maple syrup, salt, pepper, dry oregano, and Dijon mustard. Give it a shake, pour it on top, fresh parsley to taste. Enjoy and follow for more. Let me put you onto something. Breakfast, lunch, or a snack, these are my healthy egg sandwiches. Let's go. Boil and peel the eggs, cut it in half, add a little bit of spicy mayo to each half, lettuce, turkey, and avocado. Add the tops on top, everything but the bagel seasoning. Enjoy and follow for more. I love these at Starbucks, but they have over 20 ingredients. Let me show you my take on them, which is healthier and only 6. Let's go. Start by adding the first 4 ingredients to a blender and blend for 30 seconds. Add some bell peppers and spinach to a silicone muffin tin. Pour in the batter and gently stir. Transfer it into your preheated oven and add boiling hot water to the halfway mark. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes without opening the oven door or until set. Enjoy and follow for more. If you're not making the viral cottage cheese flatbread, you're missing out. It's high protein, low calorie, and only 4 ingredients. To a food processor, add cottage cheese, 1 egg, oregano, and garlic powder. Blend until nice and smooth. Pour it onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper that I greased, and then spread the mixture evenly. Bake until nice and golden, let it cool for a few minutes, and then add your favorite sandwich toppings. Enjoy, and don't forget to follow me for more. I've recently lost 20 pounds and I want to show you my current favorite low-carb spicy mayo lettuce wrap. Let's go. I like to gently crack the back of the lettuce spine, overlap each leaf, and then mix mayo, honey Dijon, and sriracha. Spread this onto each leaf and add Havarti, turkey slices, pickles, and pickled onions. Roll it, bring it back to the end of the parchment paper, and then roll it together. Cut it right in the middle. Enjoy, and don't forget, follow for more. I can eat this healthy, high-protein breakfast casserole every single day. I saute my ground meat of choice with onions until golden, set it aside, let it cool completely. In a separate bowl, add the eggs, cottage cheese, pinch of salt, give it a mix. Add in the cooled ground meat, chives, Parmigiano Reggiano, flour, and baking powder. Give it a mix, pour it into a baking dish, bake, enjoy, and follow for more.